Hello everyone, welcome to Four Nation Creations DIY video. Today we will be doing 5 small cedar roses. You will have 5 strips of cedar and some artificial sinew here to do them. You can start off with any one, doesn't matter which one you choose, you can just pick the one that you want to start with. And what you are going to do is, this is going to be the stem of your flower, and you're going to take the top piece and fold it behind, and you are going to get this shape. And then what you're going to do from here is at this corner here, then you're going to fold it back, and now it will start to look like this. Then you're going to take your stem of your flower and fold it inward. Same thing at the corner here, this is where you're going to take it and fold the cedar back and roll. And you're just going to keep repeating that process over and over, always at that corner, fold it back and turn. Fold back and turn. Always keep your thumb on the stem and your finger here behind the flower so it does not unravel. Fold back and turn. Fold back and turn. Fold back, turn. Fold back and turn. Same thing, fold back. Now you're going to, after that fold, you're going to put that last piece there and connect it to the stem of where you started. You will take some of your artificial sinew here and you are going to wrap it around. Give it a good couple of wraps, make sure it's tightly done. Tie it off. Use your scissors. And there you go. You will have your little bouquet of cedar flowers. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helps, and we would love to hear your feedback. Thank you very much. Chew!